Good evening, everyone. This is Luis Villalobos, and it's a pleasure to be here with you. Today, I'm going to talk about education in the Colombian Army and achieving personal goals in this wonderful institution. I joined the Colombian Army back in 2002. It was a wonderful experience to think about joining the Colombian Army in one of the most sustainable institutions in the Colombian country. Here in this picture, I'm 22 years old and I'm second corporal. I had that eagerness to achieve many things in the Colombian Army, especially to be prepared, to be professional, and also, and most of all, to be a good soldier for the Colombian Army and improve the institution. That's why I've been traveling 3 times to the United States. This was my first travel to the United States, in which I learned how to speak in English, even though I still need some English skills, but I'm able to express myself and communicate with others from other countries who speaks English. Also, I have received training like this course right here. This one is Taekwondo. I'm black belt first dan. And it was a wonderful experience because it gave me the strength to endure many difficult situations in this institution. Because as you know, we have problems here that we can handle it, especially with the enemy. Here, I took this training in Lancero course. This course almost saved my life because it's dangerous to take it. As you can see, I'm super skinny in that picture. I was suffering in that course, but it was the most rewarding and it's wonderful experience to have because we can endure many difficult situations. And if you compare the 2 situations in your life, being in the Colombian Army with this training and enduring many difficult situations, you will have the strength and the power to endure whatever it takes. Also, I've been there. I've been in the jungle. I have fought the enemy of Colombia, the guerrillas especially. I have led soldiers in the Colombian Army, and it takes a great deal of effort to do that. And back in 2015, I realized that I didn't have a professional career, and I was like 15 years in the Colombian Army, or almost 15 years. So I decided that I could have a professional career. So I started learning English. Back in 2018, I started a bachelor degree, which I used in order to help soldiers and teach English in the Colombian Army. Right now, I would like to be a master's degree and to have a master's degree in education because I really love to do that. Indeed, in all this time, I have been supported by my family. As soldiers, you will have the chance to create, to form, to build your own family. That's really crucial in this institution because all the time you will need support from them. So as you can see, it's not only being a soldier, it also requires education, preparation, and family support. For that reason, my best advice is to keep close your family and be a good soldier through education. Thank you.